in linear pair, and so the total is 180. Now you have already got B as 54, so we will get 54 plus C is 180 degree. So obviously C will be 180 minus 54, which is equal to 126 degree. Okay, so we got all the. Let us start with a new question. It's given that XYZ is equal to 64. XY is produced to a point P and ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. So first of all we will make an acute angle, right? So this is your X, Y and Z, which is 64 degree. Now XY is produced till P, means we can increase it till point P. Now YQ is bisecting angle ZYP, so we will be having maybe YQ here. So this is your YQ which bisects angle ZYP. The question is to find the measure of angle XYQ and the reflex angle QYP. So let us do it orally first. Now what is XYQ? So this XYQ will include two angles, XYZ and ZYQ, right? And second is reflex QYP. So QYP will be this upper part. Now here first of all, to understand, it is forming a straight line, so addition of all these three angles will be 180. Let me suppose angle QYP to be X, so angle QYZ also will be X. So addition of X plus 64 will be 180. So we will be able to find out the value of X first. Okay, once we get the value of X, we can add X and 64 to get measure of angle XYQ. So let us write up to that. Okay, so as I have written YQ bisects, I have taken both the angles to be X. Now because they are forming straight line, the total of three angle is 180. We will get 2x is 116, so x will be 116 by 2, which is equal to 58 degree. And lastly, both the angles which we have assumed as x were 58 degree. Now from the figure, angle XYQ will be equal to XYZ plus ZYQ. So I'll write XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ, and XYZ was 64 degree, so 64 plus 58 degree, which will be equal to 122 degree. So 122 is the answer for the first question. Okay, what is angle XYQ? Now similarly, the second angle was what is reflex angle QYP. So reflex angle QYP will be equal to 360 degree minus angle QYP. Now we have already obtained QYP, QYP. Okay, that is PYQ, that is one and the same, and that is the value of X. So what was the value of X? 58 degree. So here we will get 360 degree minus 58 degree, which is equal to 302 degree. So this is the way you are going to solve many of the sums.